Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video guys, like you all saw in the title and the thumbnail, we are adding a new Volvo to the family. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so like I said in the intro, a new Volvo has landed in the family. So I convinced my girlfriend into getting a Volvo, so we got rid of her other car and now we're just gonna get her pretty much daily. It's a daily. It's just a little old Volvo, which looks pretty good. There's a couple of little things that we're gonna have to be doing on it, guys, because yes, this is gonna be a restoration build. So we're not going crazy like any of the other cars that we're doing. So the S60R, or the S80 V8, the V70R, or the XC70 that Mech is still working on, by the way, guys. We're gonna get updates on those builds maybe a little bit later on in the season. So I'm gonna pan around and show you guys the vehicle that we have bought her. So hopefully you guys enjoy her new 2002 Volvo V70 XC. Alrighty guys, so like you guys saw in the couple of B-rolls, the car looks pretty nice. So it is a 2002 V70 XC. So I believe the facelift happened in 2004 where they actually changed it to XC70. So this is actually an XC70 just pre-facelift, so it's a 2002 model. It has the brown leather interior, fully equipped, so with the sunroof and everything. It does not have 4C or the parking sensors, so it's not, well, I said fully equipped, so it's not full equipped, but it is pretty well equipped. I believe these were the cross-country versions were the higher trim that you were able to get back then. So it's the 2.4 liter turbo 5-cylinder that they had back then. So for you guys that know a little bit more about the engines, this is a little bit of a little difference in between a T5 and the 2.4T in terms of, I believe, the turbo. The turbo was a little bit weaker on those engines. And other than that, you guys saw a little bit of rust here and there. There are some broken parts on it that we are going to be restoring, so changing. We're also going to be installing a full Apple CarPlay radio on this, so hopefully you guys enjoy the build of this. What we're going to be doing though today is completely cleaning the car in and out. So like you guys can see, the car's pretty dirty. There is a lot of dust, a lot of dirt. The trims are all faded all around. Like you guys can see, it's not that original color, and let's just say the wheels are a little bit dirty, just a tiny bit dirty. So we're going to be going ahead and cleaning up the V70 XC, and we'll bring you guys along with us while we do that.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories.
Hi guys, in today's video we're doing stuff to my car. Leave a like because car stuff is fun.
Alrighty guys, so everything is now done on the V70 XC. We cleaned the car throughout the in and out, every single place. You guys can see I'm sweating balls right now. So the car is now all clean, all washed, the inside and the outside. I also took time to do a trim restore. So I bought Meguiar's product to do a trim restore on it. I actually didn't know that the trim was brown on these models. So we'll pan around, show you guys the final result. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, thank you all for watching today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. So there will be more content on the V70 XC. We'll call it the XC70 just for sakes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. You guys can expect a bunch of content coming this year from this car. So one happy girlfriend and one happy Volvo enthusiast, which is myself, to bring another Volvo to the family. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.